Hello, everyone. My name is Zulfiqar, and welcome to another episode of Income Investors. With me today is John Whitefoot with an exciting income pick. If you want to read more about what John writes on a regular basis, you can head directly to incomeinvestors.com. You can find the link to the website in the description below. Spok Holdings Inc., traded on NASDAQ under symbol SPOK, continues to be an excellent high-yielding healthcare stock that seemed to slip under the radar. At least you don't hear investors talking about how great this company is, but they should. It continues to report record financial results, has strong cash flow position, zero debt, and a stated goal of returning capital to shareholders. John?
Yeah, thanks, Spok Holdings stock also recently hit a record high too. We've actually been profiling Spok Holdings for a while now. Since profiling the company back in April of 2023, Spok stock has actually recorded total returns of 130%. And by all accounts, Spok stock should continue its record-setting ways in 2024.
John, let me ask, what does this overlooked healthcare powerhouse do?
It's all about an antiquated technology, which is pagers. Through its subsidiary, Spok Inc., the company provides healthcare communication services to hospitals in the US, Canada, Europe, Australia, and the Middle East. The company's product portfolio, which includes Spok Care Connect, enables faster collaboration between all healthcare team members. It's actually the largest paging carrier in the US with over 785,000 pagers. Its solutions are used in more than 2,200 hospitals that send over 100 million messages each month. Now, you might be asking, why are pagers such an important tool for hospitals in 2024? They may seem outdated. That's also part of their charm. They're the safest, most reliable way for hospitals and doctors to communicate. They only need to be charged once every week or two, which means they're less likely to lose battery and don't need to be charged all the time like cell phones. And sending messages on a pager is also surprisingly more secure than cell phones.
How did this company do in 2023?
Quite well. For the fourth quarter, ended December 31st, 2023, Spok announced that total revenue inched up 2.1% year over year to $33.95 million. The company generated fourth quarter net income of $3.4 million or 17 cents per share and adjusted EBITDA of $6.5 million. Full year revenue was up 3.3% at $139 million. And of that, total wireless revenue grew to $75.9 million and software revenue climbed to $63 million. That's important because this is the first time the company's reported total annual revenue growth in its history, with gains in both software and wireless revenue. Full year net income was $15.6 million or 77 cents per share. And it exited the year with record software bookings up more than 22% at $30.1 million. It also entered the quarter with cash equivalents of $32 million, and it continues to have zero debt. It expects the good times to continue in 2024 as well. At the midpoint of its guidance range, it is on track to, again, grow consolidated revenue. It also predicts that the midpoint of adjusted EBITDA guidance will be consistent with last year and additional growth potential at the high end of the guidance range.
The dividends. I read that it returned $25.6 million to its shareholders in 2023.
Yeah, in its most recent investor presentation, the company notes that its strategic goal is to run the business profitably and generate cash. Another goal is to return capital to shareholders, and that's exactly what it's been doing. We returned more than $660 million to shareholders since 2004. This includes $25 million in 2022 and $25.6 million in 2023. Now, in the first quarter of 2024, the company's board declared a regular dividend of 0.3125 per share, or $1.25 per share on an annual basis. That works out to a current yield of 8.10%.
And SPOK stock has been doing really well too, up 91% year over year.
Yeah, again, Spok Holdings is a company we've been watching for a while now. When we profiled it back in April 2022, it was trading at $6.39 per share. Now, Spok stock has made some big gains since then. On November 7th, 2023, Spok stock hit a new record high of $18.05 per share for a 130% increase over that April 2022 profile price. Spok Holdings stock has given up some well-deserved ground to profit taking, but it's still trading up 23.2% over the last 6 months, and as of this recording, 91% year over year.
John, thank you so much for your insights. Spok Holdings Inc. continues to be a great company that should be on radar of every dividend hog. It has a strong foothold in the health information services industry, has a strong balance sheet, continues to report strong financial results, and provides equally impressive guidance. This explains why Spok stock is trading near record highs and continues to provide a reliable high-yield dividend with a low payout ratio of just 68.86%. This provides management with room to both maintain its high distribution and raise it if it chooses so. That's it for today, and make sure to go to incomeinvestors.com now to get our free special reports on 3 income stocks to own today. One of those stocks currently has a dividend yield of 12.7%. You can find the link to incomeinvestors.com in the description below. We'll be back with more income picks soon, so stay tuned. In the meantime, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Goodbye for now.